Oh my gosh, my life is a mess. This is mom life at its finest, and I will take you on the tour, show you all the craziness. It's always gonna get worse before it gets better, but I've learned the hard way that there are so many ways we can try and get through the day, make it better, find more fun, and just get a handle on the craziness. So I am gonna give you the tour of what we're working with, and then I have a couple hours to kind of speed clean and get this house in order, which is always for me the first step of getting everything else together. Come along for the journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. If we haven't met before, I'm Amber. I have 3 boys, ages 2, 5, and 6. And everything is crazy. I work full time, but I typically work from home, and so my kids are taken care of for the day. That's why it's quiet. But normally, life is just all over the place. So now, let me give you the tour.
All right, so you can tell there are things everywhere. We have been reorganizing some rooms. This is our kids' playroom, and they've rearranged furniture, thrown books and everything all on the floor. Toys are everywhere. And then I am super behind on laundry. Our washing machine was broken for a couple of weeks. Not a couple of weeks, a couple of days, almost a week. And so I've got a ton of laundry to do. There are things stacked up everywhere. Everything is out of place. It's not where it's supposed to be. Breakfast is still on the table. The kitchen is a mess.
But before I even touch this mess, the first thing I want to do is take care of myself, because I have learned the hard way that getting that clean, fresh start, taking a shower, taking a few moments to put myself in order really turns everything else around. All right, I feel a million times better, really short and simple, but it's amazing what a difference it makes to just put some clothes on and kind of get ready for the day. So now I am all set to tackle this mess. So one of the biggest tips I would offer is that whenever your house feels like a complete disaster like mine does right now, I take a look around and I start in the room that I know I will use the most, which for us is the kitchen. This is where we need to be. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I hate to start the morning off with a dirty kitchen, and so the first thing I want to do is get a handle on the kitchen so that I can start dinner.
Another thing I do when I'm cleaning is have something educational or inspiring going in the background. So I'm gonna get a podcast going here. Let's see, what looks good? What's your favorite podcast to listen to? Let me know in the comments.
All right, I decided I better do some laundry while I'm cleaning the kitchen, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some clothes started here so that that can run in the background, and that's a great kind of multitasking. working up a sweat already? Nothing like cleaning for your daily workout. I'm ready to hit the living room. Making progress. Time for this room. Whew, it's been about an hour and a half or so, and the house looks a heck of a lot better than it did, but I'm realizing I probably should have saved my shower for the last thing because I've definitely worked up a nice sweat trying to keep the cleaning going. But I'll give you a tour, show you the progress I made. All right, I still didn't get to the laundry. That'll have to be another video, I guess, but you can see the playroom is better than it was. Everything is put away. I would have loved to have mopped the floors, but at least for now, things are picked up, straightened up, and you can actually walk and see. So it's ready to go for dinner. Time for me to start cooking. At least I have a clean kitchen, and I feel like I've got a better handle on my life. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Mom Life at its finest, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.